We're going to use a Shore Living glass sticker, that beautiful seahorse, and then this beautiful beachy blue candle. This is just one of the tall candles they have all the time at Dollar Tree. I love this color though. When you peel off the plastic, it does leave like a really sticky adhesive. So I always like to use a little bit of Glue Gun on that. But then you kind of have to clean the Glue Gun off so that you can secure the sticker to it. But these glass stickers are so fun, and it's perfect for a glass candle, right? I'm just going to use the seahorse itself. I think the colors are so pretty on it. It's the perfect size for one of these long candles, and just peel and stick the glass sticker on there. Trying to get it on there right the first time because I don't really want to weaken the adhesive on the sticker. And then I wanted to give it like a little bit of a coastal touch in addition. And so I found this at the Dollar Tree the other day. It is like a macrame cotton rope. And I like it because it's like kind of the same kind of color and feel as the white rope from Dollar Tree, but on a much smaller scale. And I thought that would look really cute wrapped around it, the candle, kind of like you would do with twine, but this time with a little white rope. So I just start in the back here of my candle and hot glue that macrame rope to it. And we're just going to go around several times until I think it looks good. And you don't have to worry about, like, you can light this candle because it's all secure in a jar. I am going to go ahead and put some of this macrame rope on the top as well. But since I'm securing it to the side of the jar, it's not like it's going to catch on fire or anything, I don't think. So I hope not. We're going to glue that here at the top, kind of down a little bit, just to kind of cover the very top of the candle. These candles aren't always the most beautiful on the sides. I always try to pick out kind of the best side for the front whenever I'm DIYing with them. But I go around this one about the same, I think 4 times. And I thought that just provided another little coastal touch to this quick and easy shore living DIY. Aren't those colors so pretty together? Here is our little seahorse shore living candle DIY.
Super easy, and I think this would be pretty easy to recreate, even if you can't find the glass sticker like that.